Welcome to another AAC at Home video. This AAC at Home video features the garage. Hi, my name is Gina Antrim. I am an AAC and SLP therapist. I have been for the past 9 years. And with this video series, AAC at Home, I show how you can post up low-tech manual communication boards that represent your child's AAC system and has the same pictures and symbols throughout your home, because let's face it, realistically, having a device and carrying it around from room to room as fast as our children go around is not feasible. It's typically too cumbersome. Sometimes it has to be charged, and they forget it. So by posting up these low-tech supports, it gives them access to communication no matter where they are in your house. And another reason that I love them is because they're a visual support and a reminder to you as a communication partner to be providing aided language input whenever you are communicating with your child. So the vocabulary that I have here is the same vocabulary in the rest of the videos. It's the Tell Me 88 vocabulary from Saltillo. It's free to download from their website, and I have links down below. There are also videos on the YouTube channel Basque AAC that I co-collaborate on, and we show you how to go and get free communication boards from 4 of the top vendors for different AAC systems as well. And up here at the top, I have my fringe vocabulary. So my core is super powerful. I can communicate all types of communication functions with it. However, we also know that fringe vocabulary is powerful for our children to be able to communicate as well. I also like to put additional core words that go with the room that I'm posting this in up there at the top too. And I have a link down below for how to get the chat editor software free to download onto your computer so that you can snip out these symbols and be able to post them up there like I did as well. And the words that I have up here are garage, because we are in my garage. That's why you're also hearing an echo, sorry. The verbs that I chose to put in here were to push, to go for a ride, to clean, sweep. We have tools in our garage. We have a ladder, broom, a mower, we can rake. We have our bikes in here as well as our different cars. And so now I'm going to talk about some different words that you could provide aided language input for, as well as different kinds of communication functions that you could provide aided language input for while communicating with your child at home. So first off, we can just label that, hey, we're in the garage. What are we going to do? Are we going to go for a ride? Sometimes my children like to request and say that they want to push our garage button to open the door. They love it whenever we clean our garage. They like to pick out which brooms they want. So if they want this broom, if they want the green broom, whichever one, and that they are going to help sweep out the garage. They also love to help with my husband and the tools. If we're doing any kind of projects, they love to help out with that as well. So being able to request either assistance and us helping them with something, or being able to request that desire to help us with the tools as well. Same goes for raking, being able to tell us which one they want to rake with, or sometimes after it's been a while of raking that they don't want to rake anymore. They can request that they want to get their bicycle and to go for a ride and tell us where they want to go, if they want to go on the bike trail or if they just want to go down the street on the bike. They could also request which car they want to ride in, that they want to ride in mommy's car, or if they want to ride in daddy's car. We could also ask them that question. Who do you want to ride with today, mommy or daddy in the car? And so those are just some words with the requesting, the getting assistance as well. different types of communication functions that you could communicate while you're in the garage. So those are just some ideas of how to have communication available and provide aided language input while you're at home using your AAC in the garage. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please let me know below by commenting, liking it, sharing it, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching.